Today on 41 Garage, we're going to make smoked pork carnitas. Yummy, yummy. Hey, welcome to 41 Garage and Grill. If you like Jeeps, going on adventures, and occasionally throwing something on the grill, then this is the place for you. Hit the subscribe button right now. Today we're going to make some smoked pork carnitas. It's a recipe that we found on the internet and we thought we'd give it a try. And there's not much to it, but just a little bit of prep work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flash back to yesterday when I kind of got things ready for today. And then we'll come back into today where we've already got it on the smoker going, and just a matter of maintaining temperature and waiting for it to get done. So here you go. Okay, so we got a few things to do to prepare for tomorrow. We're going to get our marinade together, put the pork in that, throw that in the refrigerator overnight. We're going to get our dry rub together, get that ready for in the morning when we put it on the cooker. Okay, so let's start with the marinade, get that pork into the refrigerator. Basically, we're going to cut this orange in half. Just try to juice out what we can. Then we're going to take 2 limes, juice them. It's all going in the same place. Okay, now we want 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, basically now we're just going to take a jumbo hefty bag, put our pork into it, and dump everything in there. And even put this stuff in there with it. And into the fridge it goes. It's going to sit there overnight. Now we'll move on to the dry rub. Try to put together our dry rub. Okay, we're going to start with a tablespoon of dark brown sugar. Next, we're going to do 2 teaspoons of salt. We're going to do a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to do a teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to do a garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, the Mexican oregano. So this is a little bit harder to get. You can't get it at your local store. I had to go to a local Mexican store to pick that up. And some people try to substitute regular oregano in it, and it's better than nothing, but the taste is still different. There's a lot of lime and citrus flavors in the Mexican oregano versus the Greek oregano. Okay, so now we want a half teaspoon of cumin. It's a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, so I guess that's it. So I'm just going to take a spoon and kind of stir things around a little bit, get it all mixed together. Okay, so there you go. We're all prepped for tomorrow. Now it's just a matter of getting up early, getting the grill going, and letting that thing cook all day. It's about a 7-pound pork butt, so it'll take roughly an hour and a half per pound. So yeah, it's a long day of cooking, but it's worth it. So we'll see you in the morning. We have the grill started, and now it's time to get our pork butt out and put some of the dry rub on it while the grill is warming up. Foil. Basically just going to take our dry rub and rub it down. Okay, so it's all ready to go. I'm going to let that sit there while the grill warms up. Okay, so now we got the grill about the temperature we're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this pork butt on there. Generally what I do is I use the charcoal to get the temperature, and then I'll start throwing wood chunks on there to give it the smoky flavor. I like apple wood personally, but it's just a matter of personal taste. Okay, we're ready to braise the pork. It's right at in the 160 range, high 160 range temperature wise. I'm going to put it in a tin pan. Take a half cup of oil. Dump that over there. Let that sit on it. Get some bay leaves. Put 3 bay leaves on this bad boy. The wind don't blow them off before I can get them on there. Okay. Then try to do this quick before the wind starts up again. Get this foil. Put this over the top. Cover this up like so. Close her up. Then we're going to stoke the fire up to roughly 300. And let her cook for about 3 hours. Okay, so we're at our 195 temperature. I'll zoom in and you can take a sneak peek at this bad boy because it looks yummy, smells incredible. Basically, we're just going to let it sit like that for about an hour, and then we'll chow down. Okay, so it's been an hour. We're going to go ahead and start pulling the pork apart. Just going to throw away these bay leaves. Okay, it's time. Got my lovely assistant here to try it out and see what she thinks.
Seriously?
Putting you on the spot. She had no idea. She just walked in.
Oh my gosh.
Are you saying you don't want to do it?
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I have to pick the perfect piece.
Well, I'm just picking a piece.
That's too fatty. That is good. That is really, really, really good.
Mmm.
Wow. That's
You like
really
it?
good.
Are you glad you're assistant now?
Uh-huh.
So,
That was really good.
all right, well, so there you go. Smoked pork carnitas. We're gonna make some tacos out of this, and then yeah, that's it. So hit like, hit subscribe, double thumbs up from her.
That's good.
Yeah, so I guess that's it. Until the next one, bye.